planning to work or hire foreign talent in Vietnam. Understanding work permits is crucial for compliance and peace of mind. Avoid costly delays and legal issues by getting it right from the start. For foreign workers, businesses, and HR departments, a valid work permit isn't just a formality. It's a legal cornerstone. Vietnam is a dynamic hub, attracting over 100,000 foreign professionals, but navigating its regulations can be complex. A work permit is an official document from the Department of Internal Affairs, allowing foreign nationals to legally work for up to 2 years. Operating without one can lead to significant fines, business suspensions, or even deportation. At LTS Law, we provide professional, reassuring support for work permit and exemption processes. We help businesses and individuals ensure full legal protection, streamlining what can be a challenging journey. Our process begins with employer position requests, followed by meticulous document preparation. We handle everything from translations to legalizations, ensuring all paperwork is compliant and submitted correctly. Did you know many investors or internal transferees might qualify for a work permit exemption? We clarify eligibility and secure official exemption certificates, saving you time and unnecessary exposure. A valid permit or exemption is the foundation for legal life in Vietnam, enabling residence cards, bank accounts, and dependent sponsorship. We also monitor renewals, ensuring continuous compliance and peace of mind. Don't let complex regulations hinder your success or your team's stability. With LTS Law, over 90% of our clients achieve first-try approval, benefiting from transparent pricing and expert guidance. Ready to ensure full compliance and a smooth process? Visit lts.com.n or book your free consultation today. Let LTS Law make working and hiring in Vietnam simple, legal, and stress-free.